Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swapnali. So in today's video I'm going to talk about my skincare and what I do to take care of my skin. So as you all know, I do apply a lot of makeup and it's quite often, almost on regular basis. There are some birds who are fighting, I guess, I don't know. Anyways, I apply makeup almost on regular basis, which is why I do need to take extra care of my skin. I need to go a little bit more out of my way and take care of my skin. So this video is going to be in two parts. So the first part is going to be all about the skincare and what I do to take care of my skin, and part 2 is going to be my everyday makeup that I wear on regular basis, or when I have to go out, or when I'm doing something like right now. Obviously in quarantine I'm not doing any of that. I'm just doing my skincare. I'm not doing the makeup part, obviously, because where do I have to go really? So right now I just have stepped out of the shower and I'm making this video. So I don't have anything on my skin. I have just washed my face. Now for the face wash, I keep switching face washes all the time. But for now I am using this Himalaya tan removal orange face wash. Washes away tan. I don't think it has washed away my tan at all whatsoever. But it's a good face wash. I like the color, I like the way it looks, which is pretty much why I got it, and it's not bad. This is the face wash I'm using, but I keep switching like I just said. Now my skin type is oily, so I do keep that in mind when I am doing my skincare. The first thing I do, which has genuinely changed my skincare or my skin, is applying a vitamin C serum. Now vitamin C is extremely good for your skin. This vitamin C serum has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. So yeah, the vitamin C serum genuinely changed my life in terms of skincare. Vitamin C, how do I tell you, it kind of gives you a shine and glow to your skin, a bit more of that fresh look, glowing skin. This is amazing. It's a really good product. I am not saying that this particular product is good, but vitamin C serum is really good. I have not tried many vitamin C serums. This is the one I got and I loved it, so I think I'm gonna again order this. I don't know if you can tell, but the serum is almost over till here. Only this much more is left and then I'm done with this bottle. I'll be getting a new one of the same bottle. Now what I will do is I will leave a link of this in the description box below in case you all want to go check it out. It's not very expensive. I think this was like 500 or 600. I mean, it's not cheap obviously, but it's not that expensive and it works so good. Now when you're using vitamin C, you have to remember that this cannot be exposed to the sun. Nothing will really happen to your skin, but the effect of this will go away. I believe the heat from the sun, it kind of breaks down the molecules of this and it just doesn't work, but I may be wrong, so do not quote me on that. The first product that I'm going to be applying is this vitamin C serum. I'm gonna take like around 2 drops of the vitamin C serum, and then I'm just gonna rub it into my palms and then just press it into my skin. Don't rub it into your skin, just tap it and press it. Now after this I go in and apply a sunscreen. And now this is one of the creams I apply. This is from Neutrogena. Now this is a sunscreen that I apply on my face specifically. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+, which is not bad, pretty good for your face. So I'm gonna take, say, this much. I'm gonna apply this on my face. So I'm not applying a lot. And also I apply a little bit on my neck, because why not? Now what happens is when you apply sunscreen on your vitamin C serum, it kind of packs the vitamin C serum, because vitamin C serum, if it goes in like the sun, it stops working. I mean, it doesn't work. So when you're applying vitamin C serum, you either apply it at night and go to bed, just the serum on your skin, or you can apply it in the daytime, but on your vitamin C you want to layer it up with something else like a moisturizer, a sunscreen, foundation, anything. Just don't keep it only the vitamin C serum. Once I'm done with the sunscreen, I move on to moisturizers. Now for moisturizers I have two options, so it depends on me which one I use. So sometimes I will use a Cetaphil moisturizer, which is a daily hydrating lotion, or if not that, I go in and apply bio oil. Now as you can see, I have used up quite a bit of this bio oil. If you see the makeup videos, you see me using this quite often, like almost all the time I use this. Today I'm gonna use bio oil. Now the thing is, I have oily skin, so I try to not apply too much of product on my skin, otherwise it just becomes very oily and messy. So what I do is I will just take my hand and I will just take very little, as you can see, very little, and then I just rub it into my palms first and warm it up a little, and then I just press it into my skin. Okay, so as you can see, my skin looks hydrated, it looks moisturized, but it doesn't look like too moisturized. Now I don't have dry skin, which is why I don't use a very over the top moisturizer, or I don't use a lot of moisturizer. But yeah, now personally for me this has worked amazing. I also sometimes mix it in with my foundation when I want my foundation to kind of sheer down, or I want a more glossy finish, and it works amazing. So yeah. And then I go in with a lip balm. Now I have this one from Nivea. It is Berry Shine, and it's, as you can see, it's slightly tinted, and it's this maroon color, but it's not very dark, so it looks pretty natural and pretty good on your skin. At least on my skin it does. It looks pretty natural, doesn't look like over the top. And yeah, with that I finish my skincare. So this is what I do pretty much every single day for my skincare. I make sure I do this in the morning. So but yeah, this is what I do in the morning when I'm getting ready, and this is what goes under my makeup. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have a skincare routine? If you do, I would love to know what it is. Let me know in the comments below. That's the only way that we can actually interact. So I would love to know what your skincare routine is. And if you have not already, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also hit the thumbs up button if you have liked the video. And yeah, also do share the video. Please share it as much as you can. It really helps me out. And that's it for this video. I will see you in part 2 of this video. Bye bye.